33, David 12 to the unit that was asking for the number.
Hey, John 32, go ahead.
Are you ready for a phone number, Mom? Please the last number she has on file for her.
Oh, fuck.
On June 5th, in Fresno, California, a routine 911 call about a trespassing suspect escalated into a critical confrontation. When officers arrived on scene, they discovered the man was armed, sparking a high-stakes standoff in a quiet neighborhood.
That doesn't scare me.
911.
Doesn't scare me. Yeah, I'm calling because I need some help right here because my son's here and he's ever arguing or anything, and I'm telling him that he has to leave. And I already put the restraining order, but I guess it hasn't got through yet because we've already finished doing that.
What is your
a couple
address?
Of days. 11th Street.
Is the house an apartment?
It's a house.
And your son is refusing to leave?
Yes.
Okay. Has he been drinking or does he have any weapons?
Not that I know of.
Okay. So he hasn't been drinking or using drugs or anything?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, did you give us a call?
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on?
Okay, because I already put the restraining order. I went in to put the papers today because I had to help to fill them out and everything. But now we gotta fill out some of those for the sheriffs for them to serve them.
Yeah, because there's nothing on file right now. So.
Yeah. So
Is he still here?
and he's back there. The bike's right there.
Right, he's in the back?
Yeah.
You want him? Does he live here?
No, he doesn't live there.
Okay, do you mind if I go talk to him?
Here. Yeah,
Okay.
you could go around if you want.
Oh, he's in the backyard?
Yeah, because I got the doors locked.
Okay, yeah.
If he wants to come.
Is the gate on this side?
There's no gate. So you could go
Oh, it just goes around?
Okay.
It goes around.
What was his first name?
Ricardo.
And I left my door.
Okay.
It's kind of a big yard.
I don't know.
You want to just try and call him to us?
Oh, he's right there. Hey, Ricardo!
I'll bet.
You don't live here!
Come back here.
They gave us permission.
Huh?
They gave us permission.
Come back here.
Okay. We got permission to come back here. Oh, we already got it.
No.
Okay, you need to come here.
I'm telling you, bro. Stay back. I'm telling you.
Or what?
Huh?
Or what?
Stay back.
Don't
Hey, stay back.
reach for nothing.
I'm telling you, stay back.
Hey, show me your hands.
Show me your
Show
hands.
me your hands right
Show me
now.
your fucking hands.
Show me your
You're
hands.
gonna get shot, dude.
Out there.
No.
Bro, come south, man. I'm serious.
Hey, he's got a gun.
I'm being serious.
You gotta
You guys
get.
already started my life like this.
We have 12. Our suspect has a gun in the backyard.
Hey, fuck you, dude. You're gonna get shot. I don't want anything to happen to you, man. I don't want anything to happen to you.
I ain't going to jail either.
Okay, just work with us here, dude. Drop the gun, please. Just drop it, dude. Ricardo, please, man. Ricardo, please, bro.
We're trying to have him drop the gun, but he's telling us he doesn't want to go back to jail.
Please. Dude, just drop the gun. No, dude, we just want to talk, dude. Brother, I can't as long as that one's in your hand. If you drop that gun, I will put my gun down, I promise. Bro, please, just drop it. Hey, stop, dude.
Hey, just put it down.
Toss it. Just
toss
it.
toss
Throw
it away.
The gun, please.
Dude, just
Please,
toss
just
the
throw
gun.
it. Please,
Dude, just
throw it.
Throw it on the ground.
Just throw it on the ground, please. Ricardo, come on, dude. We don't want anything to happen to you, man. I'm not trying to hurt you, bro. Hey, drop it, dude. Please, drop the gun. Hey, Ricardo, please, dude, drop it.
We don't want to hurt you,
Hey, what do I need to do to get you to drop the gun, dude? What do I need to do to not hurt you, man? I don't want to hurt you.
We can get you some help, man.
Ricardo, please, dude. Dude, what am I supposed to do, man? Dude, just drop the gun, dude.
You want to back up?
Yeah, if we can.
Hey, we're going to back out, all right?
We're gonna back up, dude. We don't want any issues, bro. Just please drop the gun. Stop, dude. Stop. I don't want to do this, bro. Ricardo, please.
We just got to go around.
Go around. Go around. Ricardo, please, dude.
Hey, John, 32 to 303. Can we have the shield as well, please? Yeah, moving around.
Ricardo, bro, please. Just drop it. Drop it, dude, please. Ricardo. Stop, dude. Just drop the gun. Drop the gun. Please, dude, stop.
303, can we have the shield as well, please? Yeah, moving around.
Ricardo, bro, please.
David, 12 to the unit that was asking for the number.
Hey, John, 32, go ahead.
Are you ready for a phone number? Mom, please me the last number she has on file first.
Oh, fuck.
You good? Yeah. I got you. Come back, come back. Come back.
He's hunkered down by the ladder. Shots fired.
Get up, get behind my shield. You got it?
Yeah, I'm right here. You seen the.
Are you ready for a phone number? Mom, please me the last number she has on file first.
You good? Yeah. I got you. Come back, come back. Get up, get behind my shield. You got it?
Yeah, I'm right here. You seen the.
We're both good.
Despite extended negotiations, the suspect raised his weapon at officers, prompting a police sniper to fire a rifle shot. The man then fired 2 rounds from his handgun before officers returned fire. Once the scene was secured, officers immediately rendered medical aid, but tragically, the suspect was pronounced dead at the scene. What are your thoughts on how the officers handled this 20-minute standoff and their de-escalation efforts? Let us know in the comments below. For more intense body cam footage and real police confrontations, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We'll see you in the next case.